Dalgona. Coffee is a whipped coffee drink that became popular on social media in 2020. Here's a complete recipe and method for making Dalgona coffee at home. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water, 1 cup milk, ice cubes optional. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the instant coffee, granulated sugar, and hot water. 2. Using an electric hand mixer or a whisk, beat the mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes thick and frothy. You can also use a stand mixer or a frother if you have one. 3. In a glass, add ice cubes, if using, and pour in the milk. 4. Spoon the whipped coffee mixture on top of the milk, using a spoon or a piping bag. 5. Serve and enjoy your Dalgona coffee. Tips: you can adjust the amount of coffee, sugar, and water to your liking. Some people prefer a stronger or sweeter coffee. You can also use plant-based milk or non-dairy milk if you prefer. You can add flavorings such as vanilla extract or cocoa powder to the whipped coffee mixture for a different taste. You can also use a blender to mix the ingredients if you don't have a mixer or a whisk.